Hi, I'm James Salay, Director of Special Projects and Freight Industry Expert. I'm here to walk you through a day in the life of a shipping manager that uses MyCarrierTMS. First thing in the morning, I check on my shipments in transit. With the live shipment calendar, I am able to quickly identify late shipments. With this real-time visibility into my network, I can easily see what's running behind and needs attention. On top of that, I have the option to turn on automated shipment status updates for my customers. No more calling carriers or sorting through manifest reports to track my shipments, and no more angry phone calls from my customers. After I've taken care of my customers' late shipments, it's time to check on my inbound shipments. From here, I can quickly jump into the shipment screen and search by consignee to quickly pull up inbound shipments. I've found over the years that maintaining supply chain visibility is critical to maintaining production within facilities. A single late shipment of a critical product can shut down your entire production line. Within the shipment page, you can see that your shipments are in transit, out for delivery, or have already delivered. You can then click into shipments and get further tracking details. Next, it's time to start preparing my shipments for the day. After I pull and pack my shipments, it's time to rate them. From here, I jump onto my quote screen and I choose whether I'm shipping prepaid, inbound collect, or third party. For this example, I'll ship a prepaid shipment. This simply means that I'm the shipper and I'm responsible for the freight charges. If I have multiple locations, the origin location will appear as a drop-down list. Now, I'll quickly enter the destination zip code and select the city and state I am shipping to. Select any accessorials needed and enter in your product's details below. Next, I'll simply click Select Carrier and request rates from all my direct carriers in just a few seconds in one view. On step 2 of the quote flow, I can view the carrier's selection screen. As you can see, you can quickly determine who has the lowest rate and fastest transit time. I'll select the carrier I need based on the shipment's current needs and move to step 3 of the quote flow, where I'll enter the BOL details. On this page, I simply confirm my shipper details, including pickup hours, enter in my consignee details, and any reference numbers. Frequent order details are auto-populated, so I don't have to type them in for every shipment. Now I'll click Dispatch. Easy as that. It's been successfully dispatched to the carrier, and I have the BOL, labels, and pro number needed. Now, I just need to wait for them to come pick up. One of the biggest advantages to using MyCarrierTMS is that the electronic bill of ladings are instantly sent to the carriers when you hit the dispatch button. This reduces errors since billing clerks no longer have to key in handwritten BOLs. On top of this, the platform helps you reserve trailer space by telling carriers what you have shipping before it ever hits their terminal. Providing early, accurate shipment information makes it easier to schedule pickups and secure reliable capacity. Now it's the afternoon and I need to supply my accounting department with the freight costs of the shipments that moved out today. Prior to MyCarrierTMS, I was handwriting my total costs on my BOLs and giving my accounting department a big stack of shipments for them to key into our system. Using MyCarrierTMS, I simply need to go to my shipments report page, select today through the date range tool, and download my report. Once I have it downloaded, I simply need to email it over to my accounting department, and now I have made both of our lives easier. They don't have to read my bad handwriting, and I don't have to worry about writing the right price on the wrong BOL. At the end of the day, because rating, dispatching, tracking, and sharing shipment info has been so much faster and easier, I'm happier, and so are my coworkers in sales, customer service, and accounting. And because the platform optimizes operations, reduces freight costs, and increases customer satisfaction, my boss is happier too. As you can see, MyCarrierTMS is a game changer for any business that ships LTL.